little update on the ATC 200 big wheel conversion. So I've got the additional frame pieces tacked in. The seat stays in on both sides. I could have, boxed some of this stuff in to make it a little prettier. The seats stay. I made a seats are just so expensive, so I can't justify it, so I'm making my own. So I just got a piece 1/8 inch plate using these 5/8 bolts, which fit perfectly through the rubber. Rubber bushings. So I'll put this together and then I'll probably put a reinforcement box on the bottom of it or something. Just not so rugged, but whatever. I've got the battery box made. And need to trim the bottom of it a tiny bit, but so that bolts to some tubes that are through the frame here, so I can take that in and out. Started working on some of the wiring. I've got my 2 stator leads going into here, so coming out, gonna give me my 12 volt. Yeah, it's about ready to come apart and start assembling it all. I need to finish welding these tubes in place. I gotta get this all lined up and welded. Finish welding up the rear swing arm. I've got the other clutch spring driven clutch spring coming, so I can get the clutch going the right way with the outboard facing thing. I just gotta trim this tiny bit here to get a door on the front of it. So I just got the frame and swing arm all painted and finished up. So now I just need to wait on a couple parts to arrive. I also got the triple tree painted, ready to be done. So now that the parts are all painted, I can just finally start working on assembly of the bike. Waiting on those parts to arrive next week, and then I'll start putting it all together.